Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Pythagoras in real life. On the next two slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about Pythagoras' theorem. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses. And let's have a look at the lesson. So we're looking at Pythagoras in real life. Now here's a very typical example. We have a ladder which is against the wall. Now the information we're given is that the distance from the wall to the base of the ladder is 3 meters and the ladder is 5 meters long. We're asked to find h, which is the distance from the ground to the top of the ladder. So we see that that is a right angle triangle. So we have a height, a base, and the hypotenuse, which represents the length of the ladder. So we know from the previous lesson that h squared plus 3 squared equals 5 squared, and that's what I've done here. Simplifying that line, we have h squared plus 9 equals 25. We subtract 9 from both sides to give us h squared equals 16. So h is the square root of 16, which is 4 meters. So the distance from the ground to the top of the ladder is 4 meters. Here's another real life example. We have a tree and a person is standing 20 meters away from this tree and the tree is 15 meters high. We want to know the distance from the person to the top of the tree. Now we can easily see that that represents the hypotenuse. So we're asked to find w. So the square on the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares on the other two sides. So that's the first equation. When we simplify that, we get the second line. Add those two together, we get w squared equals 625. So w equals 25 meters. In other words, the distance from the person to the height of the tree is 25 meters. So there are two very simple examples showing us how Pythagoras' theorem can be used in real life, and there are many other examples. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by introducing a rap song about Pythagoras' theorem. So I hope you enjoyed that particular lesson.